It is so important to spend quality time with your children, having fun and being creative. That's why we've created the Crafty Thinking Fairy Necklace Kit. You'll get everything you need to create a stunning, multi-layered fairy necklace for yourself and for your friends. Our fairy necklace kit also includes a beautiful beaded bracelet with stunning interchangeable fairy charms, with a matching delicate fairy charm necklace. Your child will feel so proud to wear their very own homemade necklace, and the fairy theme is exactly what little girls love. The Crafty Thinking Fairy Necklace Kit is the perfect thing for the special little girl in your life.